What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do an unboxing on the American Backyarder. I just picked up the case. Comes 2-1 Pyro Predator. Alright. Looks like this one got a little messed up. Stuff slid all the way up there, but it's all good. So first off, comes with a 100-shot Saturn, a window brand, comes with Happy 36-shot. This is the old style. It has a little brakes or whatever you want to call them when it goes up, not the new plastic mold ones. I think I like these better. Neither of them are real impressive. I don't know why the hell they put tape on all this. It's got a color dancing ball, Legend, 19-shot. It's like a color pearl, but it's a little bit better. A little bit bigger. They go up higher. Can I have a knife? It's got a pack of smoke balls. Cool. Clay ones. 6-pack. Thank you. Hold on, I gotta cut the tape. I don't know why the hell they do this. They tape the damn shit together. It's got Blue Star with reports, little hybrid. Live it. Give me a sec. Moon Festival, a hybrid. It's like a garden and spring, same shit. I'll try to separate the stuff over here from like hybrids and whatnot. Speaking of garden and spring, it's got a garden and spring right here. It's got Desert at Night. Let's see if there's any other like hybrids in here or anything. I think that's all the hybrids. So it's got, these are the hybrids that come with it. I think these are like the smaller aerials, I guess you could say. These ones. Then the rest, well, there's some fountains. This is a good fountain right here, actually. Deep Ocean, Legend Fireworks. This is a good one. I've had this one before. It's got the nitrocellulose, like the jelly bean effect. And real nice colors. It's solid. It's the Devil's Poison. I had this one last year. It's pretty good too. It's like a 4-tube, 5-tube, I think. It's a good fountain though. 200-gram fountain. Let's see what else. It's got 3-piece, what are these, cuckoos? Safari pack, 3-piece. I don't know what this is. I imagine it's just like a cuckoo fountain. What is this? Outcry. I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Pipe. And Squeal. So those are the hybrids. Those are the fountains. Those are the smaller aerials. Then it's got the box of smoke balls. I'll put that over there, I guess. Go into the shells. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. I'm just gonna open this one box, see if they're real ball shells or if they're fake ones. These are fake ball shells. Well, it's alright. I'd rather just put them, have them put the little canisters in here than fake ball shells. But it's all the same shit. These are whistling, so that's pretty cool. It's actual effect. And it's got crackling. It's the same thing, I guarantee you. Don't even open it. So you got 12 shells, 4 hybrids, 2 big fountains, 3 little fountains, 3 of like smaller aerials, and a pack of smoke balls. And then we'll get into this stuff now. This is where this one gets good. So these fucking things are taped together. I don't get why they do this. Whatever. So it's got a 9-shot Raphael. This is bothering me. Hold on. There we go. It's got 9-shot Raphael, Great Grizzly, or Golden Bear, my bad. White strobe. These ones have real brakes. It's little, but man, these things do not disappoint. Next up, I got Magician. That's Supreme Fireworks, 9 shots. Red, white strobe, and delayed crackle. Another one, real brakes. Okay. Next up, Ghost Shadow, 9 shots. These things they're like 100 grams. They're not even 200 grammers. But man, these things are cool. Really fun little cakes. They got good weight for their size. This one's Pyro Predator. What is it called? Bobcat. 9 shots. So we got those 4 little 100-gram cakes. And let's get into the bigger stuff. Roadhouse Brawl, 16 shots, Legend Fire. This is a real 200-gram cake. Crackling tail to crackling, crackling tail to red, and green with crackling, alternating back and forth, you know. 200-gram cake right there. We got Heartbreaker, 8 shots, heavy cake. See, it's got a pair performance. Red palm, white strobe, purple palm, green strobe. Next up, this one doesn't weigh much. 200 grams, 7 shot. The Creeper. I can't even read that. My eyes are not that great. 7 shot, 200 grams, supposedly. Booty Pirate. Pyro Predator. I've had this one before. It's like one of the Brothers classic cakes. It's comparable to like Super Stallion or whatnot. Heavy cake, real 200 grammer. Lady Evil. Pyro Demon. Heavy, very heavy. Super heavy. Any performance? 200 gram. No performance. Another one, super heavy, man. 16 shot Diesel Devil by T-Sky. I seen a video on this one. It has like a crackle mine to the brake. Very, very impressive cake. These are like pushing 350. They're like fully loaded 200 grams. Screwface, Legend Fireworks, 25 shot. That's the performance. I'm not gonna read that. Very heavy cake. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 real 200 gram cakes. 4 100-gram cakes, but they have real brakes. The 3 little aerials, smoke balls. the fountains, the hybrids, and then 12 shells. Good assortment. They come 2-1. American backyard.